News just coming in. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will be embarking on her maiden foreign trip to Singapore this Sunday. It is Mamata's first trip abroad since she took over the state as Chief Minister in 2011 with an agenda to attract foreign investment to the state. Mamata will be accompanied by a high-level official and business delegation. But what is surprising is that movie star and TMC MP Deepak Adhikari alias Dev will also be a part of Mamata's entourage. Mamata Banerjee wants to use the opportunity to attract foreign investments to West Bengal. Creating an industry-friendly atmosphere still continues to be Mamata's biggest challenge. The Chief Minister's highly publicized trip comes within days of her not-so-flattering words by one of the country's leading business icons, Ratan Tata. And Mamata government obviously is desperate to shed that anti-industry image. Let's get in a word from our correspondent Indrajit Kundu, who's joining us on the phone line from Kolkata. Indrajit, Mamata Banerjee desperate to shed her anti-industry image.
Well, that's right. This is how this entire trip is being looked at, given the fact that in the past few months we've seen several incidents which have actually not painted a very rosy image of the state's, industrial sector. Be it the incident that happened in Burdwan, in which the allegation was against low-rung Trinamool leaders, due to which a private company had to shut down its operations for some time, or the incident in Haldia where a private firm was literally hounded out of the state. So, the government is trying its best to rev up its image as far as a state with a friendly industrial atmosphere. But, comments that have been made by Ratan Tata, a business icon who was here just a few days back, and when he made a comment that there was not much industry to be seen on his way from the airport, that did not go down well with the Trinamool leadership. We saw how there was a war of words between the government and Ratan Tata. So Mamata Banerjee, in that backdrop, embarking on her maiden foreign trip with the sole purpose of, hard-selling West Bengal as an industrial destination. Whether that will bear any fruit at all, we'll have to wait and watch. But as far as the opposition is concerned, they have already started raising questions. Many are skeptical. They are saying that what is the need of, taking MPs like Dev, who is a popular film star here? What purpose does it solve? They are questioning the government's motive and the purpose behind such, extravagant as well as expensive trips, because similar programs had been taken by Mamata Banerjee when she visited Mumbai, but the government does not seem to be having much to show or much on offer as far as industrial investments are concerned. So It's going to be a big challenge for Mamata Banerjee as she embarks on a maiden foreign trip.
Right. Indrajit, any word on why Singapore has been chosen as her preferred destination? Also, any idea on the kind of money that the state government will be spending on this trip?
Well, there has been a controversy as to whether the government is going to fund the delegation which is going to accompany Mamata Banerjee, and that's the reason why State Finance Minister Amit Mitra came out, did a press conference to allay any such apprehensions, saying that the business leaders will be funding their own the trip by themselves. But as far as Singapore is concerned, remember just a few months back there was an offer which had come from the Singapore government to the West Bengal government for such a proposal of a visit. There have been other offers from other countries as well, but this is for the first time that Mamata Banerjee has decided that she is going to take the plunge, and she chose Singapore.
Indrajit Kundu, thanks so much for that update. We'll continue tracking developments with you. We'll also try and get some other political reactions.